As kids head back to school right across the country, parents are facing up to that very familiar daily challenge of packing the dreaded school lunch. So how do you keep things interesting, healthy and ensure your kids come home with an empty lunchbox?
It's quite the transition, isn't it?
Really it is.
Well, school lunchbox super dad George Josefsky has a whole lot of tricks up his sleeves, and he joins us now from Geelong in Victoria. Georgie boy, how are you?
Good, Carlos. How are you, my friend?
Very well, mate, very well. Let's start with the basics. The good old-fashioned 5 a day is still the perfect guide. 2 fruit, 3 veggies, right?
You nailed it. That's the key, like getting back to school again. It's sort of a good idea to refresh the memory, I guess. So just remember the number 5. 2 fruits, 3 veggies. They'll get the right nutrition and vitamins they need to get them through the school day. And even something as simple as a mini tomato counts as one of those veggies. Little cucumber, cut up some carrot, veggies are done, and they're bite-sized and fun to eat.
And has the girls left smiling? Hey, you've also revolutionised the humble sandwich.
Yes, totally. So what we've done is I'll make some as we go. Like, kids like bite-sized, so you know, I figured why not make sandwiches fun again? So you could just grab a wine glass. You probably have a few of those lying around.
Yeah.
Carl. Anyway, all good. So
You know him so well.
Everyone. So all we do. Totally. So just cutting a round piece of bread, just flattening it. You can smear some butter or some mayo, anything you like. You can add cheese, mayo, ham, bacon, whatever you want, and just pinching the edges. And what we've created is like a simple dumpling, or which we call the sandling. It's bite-sized. You can hide little fun, nutritious things inside. We've got ravioli, which we call ravwich, and spring rolls. So, hey, if we can enjoy it as adults, why can't they, in the form of fun, healthy sandwiches? So, yeah, bite size is the key as well, because it's not daunting, it's not too big, because at school they just want to play, and eating's the last thing on their mind, so why not make it a little fun and healthy at the same time?
OK, I reckon sometimes it's a tough sell for all the veggies. What about treats as well that can be a little dessert, perhaps?
Treats, done deal. So what I've developed is I went sort of dad style, because I just freaked out with how many recipes and ingredients there are to make simple muffins. So just got one of these protein shakers, or a shaker, and just a simple creation I did myself, which is just a cup of self-raising flour, 1 egg, 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil and some milk, and shook it up like martini style, and poured it into a muffin tray. And then we've got these delicious, poured some blueberries in there. And you can even add some maple syrup or some honey as a sweetener, so you don't necessarily need sugar. Oh, no, it's crazy. And then we got these delicious blueberry shaking muffins. And the only thing you need to clean up is your shaker. And you generally just leave it in the sink and hope it ends up in a dishwasher somehow. And you can just add that into the school lunchbox.
You're a bloody genius, mate.
And,
George, we've got to go, but you're a genius. Now, thank you so much for that, and you can pick up everything you need to know to whip up those lunchbox creations. Head to our website for a very handy shopping list. Thank you, girls. Good luck at school.